Next year is looking very different for Apple, and not in the way many people expected. Instead of stacking on flashy features or rolling out more dramatic visual changes, Apple is reportedly shifting its entire software strategy. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the company is preparing a major cleanup operation for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Something similar to the famous Snow Leopard update from 2009. If you remember Snow Leopard, it was an update that didn't try to impress with looks. It didn't add big new features. Instead, it made the Mac faster, lighter, and more stable. And now, Apple plans to bring that same philosophy to iOS 27, iPadOS 27, and macOS 16. This shift didn't come out of nowhere. Over the past year, Apple delivered the massive, liquid glass redesign with iOS 26, and while it looked beautiful, the operating system has been rough around the edges. Many users have complained about battery drain, weird UI glitches, devices running hotter than normal, and even basic things like the keyboard randomly breaking. These aren't small issues. They're the kind of everyday problems that slowly wear down the user experience. So instead of rushing into another flashy visual overhaul, Apple's engineering teams are now going through the operating system line by line, cleaning up code, removing unnecessary bloat, and fixing long-standing bugs. Gurman says this is a full internal reset, the kind of effort that may not sound exciting but is absolutely necessary. And really, the timing of this shift is important. Apple isn't operating alone in a vacuum. Competitors like Google are not only delivering cleaner, more stable systems on Pixel phones but also pushing deeper into AI. Chrome OS and Android both feel fast and efficient, even with heavy AI features running in the background. If Apple wants to stay competitive with its own AI tools, like the revamped Siri and the internal chatbot known as Veritas, it needs a solid foundation. You can't run high-powered AI features on an OS that stutters when you swipe home. There's also the hardware angle. Apple is gearing up for the future, and that includes foldable iPhones. A foldable device adds complexity to the interface and animations. If regular iPhones are already glitching under simple tasks, Apple can't risk layering foldable UI elements on top of that. Fixing the core of the operating system now is necessary for big plans later. Even as a regular user, this news feels refreshing. Many people have been experiencing the same issues lately: overheating during simple tasks, battery life that drops too fast, and random slowdowns that make even a brand new Pro model feel older than it should. Apple built its reputation on making devices that just work. But recently it's felt more like works most of the time if you reboot. That's why a boring update is exactly what people want right now. No more giant animations, no more experimental UI changes, no more features that look cool on stage but break something else behind the scenes. Just a stable, reliable, efficient operating system that lets the hardware shine. And this move is especially important because 2026 is expected to be a huge year for Apple. The company's 50th anniversary, new product categories, big redesigns, possibly even the long-rumored foldable iPhone. All of that requires a dependable software base. iOS 27 could be the update that makes or breaks Apple's future lineup. So yes, iOS 27 might not be the most exciting update ever. There may not be a ton of new features to play with or new apps to explore. But if Apple truly commits to this Snow Leopard approach, we may finally get back the smooth, stable, dependable experience Apple was once known for. And honestly, that's worth far more than another round of fancy animations. Sometimes, the most important update is the one that fixes everything, rather than introducing something new.